Thank you guys also very much for joining me today. Again, as always, I hope you have the most amazing day. Today, guys, I wanted to share with you another little postable pamper box. This little pamper box is vegan friendly, which is always awesome. And you get a lot of little different products in it. Comes in the post. I did take the packaging off when it was delivered, but you can personalize this little box and post it on to a friend. I got this little pamper box on eBay. It cost me £8 free shipping, which I think is not too bad for a little sample box gift set. So it comes in this absolutely gorgeous little rose gold decorated box. It shows you everything that you get in the front, but it does say that it is perfectly designed to fit through the mailbox. So the postage is really cheap. It says open up and personalize your message inside, seal with care, write the address of the recipient and take to the post office for a letterbox pamper delivery straight to their door. So I think this is a lot of fun. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to try and tilt you guys down. I'm working with a bit of a dodgy, if you know what dodgy means, not great, camera stand. So not so great. But look, it even has the little bit at the top where you can put the address. So when we open the box, which I think is fantastic, this is what we get inside. We get a lot of things falling at us. So the first things that we get are this little sheet. What is this sheet? This sheet is, oh, okay. So this is a sticker that allows you to seal the box, which is awesome. It comes in the same design. We have a little something just for you. You can write a little message on the inside. It's almost like a postcard. Inside you also get some really nice tissue paper. This is very soft tissue paper, but it's always great to have a little bit of tissue paper to do your decorating. And then look at this. This looks absolutely stunning. We have a little pouch. So we'll just go through all of the items. Guys, I do intend to include this little box in a giveaway, so I won't be opening anything, but I do want to show you guys what we got inside. So the first thing that you get is this little, I think it's a muslin bag. Does it open? Come on, open for me. Let me just get this opened. I don't know what the smell is, but it smells absolutely gorgeous. This really is playing silly. Oh, I don't think you're actually supposed to open this. I'll just show you. Inside the bag, I actually think this bag isn't supposed to be opened because it is sealed inside. So inside the little bag, we have bath salts. I'm assuming that they're in they're orange and, guys, give me 1 second. I'm going to try and get these out of this bag because maybe they do come out of the bag because there seems to be a plastic bag inside this muslin bag. So let me see. Oh my goodness, don't even need to stop the video. I got it open. I was just being silly. So inside the bag, you get bath crystals. These are orange and neroli. I can definitely smell the orange. I don't know what the scent of neroli is. Not really sure, but you just sprinkle these into a bath filled with warm water and allowed to dissolve. I think that is awesome. The other thing is these little bath bags are great for bubble bars. You can put your bubble bar inside, let the water run through, get your bubbles in the inside and enjoy your bath. So the first item that we got is the bath crystals, which I think is awesome. Let's take a run through what else we get. We get inside this pack. These are not easy to get out, and I don't want to destroy the packaging, but we'll work our way through them. So we get 6 tubes, and these tubes we have orange and neroli shower gel. We have 2 of those. We have 2 orange and neroli body lotion, and we have, I made it a mess. We have 2 orange and neroli body scrubs. I mean, I think this is super cute and adorable. I was really, really interested in this pack. I saw it on eBay and decided I wanted to have it. So I purchased it. And I just think if you're looking for a nice little gift for someone, and I'm going to try to make this look as pretty as it did when they originally had it. This is super, super adorable. So if you guys are looking for a beautiful little gift for someone, I think this is pretty awesome. I know this video is actually quite short. I thought it might have been a little longer, but it isn't. And that's fine. Some of my videos are way too long anyway, but how gorgeous is this as a little a gift. The other thing about this is this size, I believe, is a large letter, so posting is relatively inexpensive. And how fun is it to get something through the post that you can personalize and send as a gift and seal it. This does not want to stay up there, and seal the package before sending. I just think this is super cute and adorable. And guys, like I said, I'm not going to obviously be posting this. I am going to include this in a giveaway that I have hopefully coming up, if it isn't already up, coming up soon. And I just think it's cute and adorable. I think that is pretty awesome for the price point. I mean, even if you're going traveling, these little tubes usually cost £1 each. And then you have the bath salts, maybe another 150. So realistically, I think this isn't a bad little gift at all. That's all I have for you today. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you're interested in knowing where I purchased this little item, I can try and find it from eBay and put it in the description below. But in the interim, if you guys liked the video, please smash that like button. If you guys are new to my channel, we would love to have you subscribe. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell to be notified of any of my future videos. And I really, really hope you guys stay safe. Take care of each other. And I'm going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye. Bye.